Hello there, I'm Dr. Clinton Baldwin, and my PhD emphasis is in New Testament textual criticism. Consider this: 90 to 95% of the people in the ancient world could not read or write. The chief means of transmitting information was as the information was remembered and communicated orally. Oral communication and memory entails fixity and flexibility, embellished, reconstructed accounts, invented stories, and even false memories recounted as facts. To what extent was the Bible affected by this phenomenon of orality? For the most part, the information in Scripture was recorded long after they occurred, sometimes even hundreds of years. Did God bypass the frailties of human memory in the authors of the Bible? To what extent are we reading factual history versus embellished, interpreted, or even invented accounts when we read the Bible? You cannot afford to miss this fascinating and scholarly lecture on orality and the development of the biblical texts. This will be on June 11, 2022, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go now to Baldwin's Biblical Manuscript Research Institute, that is biblicalmri.com, and register today. Space is limited. It will revolutionize your view of Scripture. Looking forward to seeing you there.